All right, guys. So it's raining. I was planning on going to take the car to wash. Before I took it to get its oil change, excuse my hair. I just woke up and I haven't been feeling good lately. So yeah, let's go find out how much it's going to cost to do a oil change on this BMW. I'm honestly not sure. It's probably not gonna be that much. I'm gonna take it to where I bought the car. I'm not gonna take it to like the BMW dealership because they're probably gonna do some extra stuff. I want to do some extra stuff to it, and I just want to get that oil change and be out because that's what this video is about. So let's get to it. Okay, so I totally forgot to record when I was still at the dealership. Well, at the dealership. But let me tell you this. This has been the most expensive oil change that I've done to any of the cars that I've had, whether it was the 2013 Lexus IS, the 17 Lexus IS, and even the Tacoma, This one was, okay, I think the second most expensive was what was it? The 17 IS, which the most expensive oil change was like $96, I think it was. This one, 174 with 56 cents. I did take it to the Honda dealership because that's where I got the car. And yeah, this has been the most expensive one that I've done to any car. See right there. So yeah, wait, hold on. What's it? 130? Oh, parts amount. So yeah, this has been the most expensive one so far. Like I said, this is the first time I've taken any car to get an oil change there. I usually take them to Toyota. So I might try Toyota next time, see how much they charge me. But yeah, this has been the most expensive one. I don't know if that's really bad or not, to be honest. I mean, I'm pretty sure, someone in the comments is going to be like, you could have done that yourself. But, I just do this so the car can have a history that it's been taken, to a shop and, everything. They're not, that's actually getting good parts, I guess. So yeah, I'm not complaining. The car needed the oil change, so it just had to be done. But yeah, I was surprised, honestly, with the 174. Like I said, the Lexus was like 90, 95, 96, I want to say. I'm not 100% sure, but it wasn't like over $100. And the Lexus was a 2017. This is a 2013. Different brands, I understand, and everything. I actually thought this one would be honestly a little cheaper, because the oil filter is like on the top of the engine, not unlike the Lexus, which is like in the bottom, Toyota cars. So yeah, who knows? Anyway, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned. I got a few other videos coming for the car, a few other things that I want to do to it. So yeah, peace out.